Place a metal kitchen scrubber on a water squeegee. It's a surprisingly useful trick. The metal scrubber is flexible and durable, perfect for reaching hard-to-access areas. Take a metal scrubber and carefully attach it to the rubber edge of the squeegee, ensuring it's securely fixed so it doesn't slip off. This hack makes cleaning much easier. Let me show you how I clean my shower cabin with this tool. After spraying the glass doors and base with your chosen cleaning solution, start using the squeegee with the attached scrubber. Gently glide it over the glass doors and shower base. These areas often accumulate stubborn limescale and residue. The metal scrubber effectively removes dirt, while the rubber edge protects surfaces from scratches. With this simple trick, your shower cabin will shine with cleanliness. The metal scrubber tackles tough grime, and the squeegee allows for precise and easy maneuvering.